It is vital that we protect the lives of our frontline health workers who are risking their lives every day to battle this virus.
As Ghana adjusts to the new reality of life under physical distancing and self-quarantine in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, frontline workers like doctors, nurses, midwives, pharmacists, physicians, dentists, ambulance drivers and many others are giving their all to save lives amid various challenges, the biggest being a high shortage in personal protective equipment, also known as the PPE.
We have been involved in the fight against COVID-19 since the beginning of the pandemic. This fight has not been without challenges. As you are aware, over 2,000 healthcare professionals, including family physicians in this country, have so far been infected with COVID-19. Most of them picked up these infections in the line of duty.
Despite the hardships and health risk, several thousands of these frontline workers continue to do their jobs and care for us.
The National Ambulance Service provides pre-hospital emergency care. And for that matter, we pick cases from homes, from workplace and any other place. Because we are picking confirmed cases, we have to ensure that our personnel are actually covered. So far, we've recorded 16 cases among personnel.
Their dedication and selflessness have made a huge difference in the government's overall response to the pandemic.
And the challenge we have as radiographers is the limited resources of PPEs. The government of Ghana is doing its best. Even though they are doing that, it's still not sufficient for us.
These are consumable materials that at any point in time we need specific amounts of them to serve the people that we are taking care of.
Sadly, many frontline workers have lost their lives, including some very renowned health professionals.
We have about 50 of our members that have tested positive for COVID-19.
Unfortunately, as with other health workers, many of our pharmacists have tested positive. The fortunate, or let's say the unfortunate part, is that we've lost 3 of our community pharmacists to COVID-19.
A lot of these workers have to manage about 2 masks for a whole week, sometimes having to improvise when there's drastic shortage.
Ghana Health Service, Millennium Promise Alliance and partners
is running a campaign to raise funds in support of and to celebrate the sacrifice of these unsung heroes on the COVID-19 front line.
PPEs are used all the time across the country for triaging, for treatment centers, and in all areas where we see at risk. It actually has become the norm, and these are supplies, and the health sector needs them on a daily basis, and so this support is extremely going to be helpful for us as we continue fighting the coronavirus and other infectious diseases.
Ghana to really care so much to be able to make the time and the effort to put this together, and I think you will succeed. And for me and for Jeff, we will do everything and anything to help you.
We are launching our 1 million PPE campaign to procure 1 million protective masks and other essential protective gear to be distributed to hospitals across the nation and areas where they are needed.
Ghana has shown true leadership in controlling the COVID-19 pandemic. I serve as chair of the Lancet COVID-19 Commission, a global effort to study and recommend best practices for containing this pandemic. And I want to commend Ghana for its very, very strong efforts and for this wonderful campaign. I give you all my support and anything that I can do to help.
We have also employed the support of some of the biggest celebrities in Ghana to lend us their strength and good name and to help raise support for this project.
Nose mask. And then you be bra. I was said, "Yet to me, Gina, a bow. This is the time they really need your support. People are dying, but they are working hard and taking risks to make sure that we are safe.
We've all come together to campaign to support the frontliners.
Frontliners are so dear to my heart. Ever since Ghana started recording cases of COVID-19, they've been on the field fighting every day, every night to save lives.
Yeah, I think that it's good that we support them. They are at a very high risk of, getting this corona, and I feel like they need our support so much. So yeah, I'm here to support, and I think that's the right thing to do. So join me and let's support the frontliners. Celia.
The needs of our frontline workers are vast and growing. Now more than ever is the time for us to come together to support them.
Congratulations to all our frontline health workers for your relentless efforts during this pandemic. Indeed, you have shown your true spirit of patriotism, and I believe it's our time to also show same to you. It is for this reason that we join forces with other world-renowned leaders to mobilize PPE to support your cause. I invite you all to join us in this fight.
We want to extend our appreciation to GSK and Sergey Brin Foundation for this support that was rooted through PMPA for the service and the country as a whole.
Let me thank in particular all our frontline actors who continue to put their lives on the line to help ensure that we defeat the virus.
Let's join forces to support these unsung heroes.